Welcome to Minutes with Linus, brought to you by Wellness Woman 40 and Beyond. Embark on this journey with me, Linus Woods Mullins, your certified holistic living and wellness expert for women over 40, as we explore tips for an ever-growing mind, body, and spirit in just a few minutes. Hi, everybody. It's 2019, and I think this is the first live I've done in the group by myself since it became 2019. Well, welcome. And I'm telling you, my word for 2019 is reap. This year, I am going to reap all the seeds that I have sown over the last 10 years of having this business, of working and helping women over 40 to be well in their mind, body, and spirit. And I'm so excited to share with you a few things that are going to be happening over the next 45, 60 days. First of all, I have a new book coming out called Power Up Superwoman. I wrote a chapter in the book, and I'm also going to be writing the back cover. It's going to be a fantastic book. I believe there's 13 women who have shared their stories, and I was reading some of them last night. They are so inspirational, and I can hardly wait for you to see the book. I'm taking pre-orders right now, and once the books come in, I'll sign them and send them to you. So I'll be putting up some more information about how you can do the pre-orders. The next thing, and I'm chewing my gum because I just got through doing my workout and my mouth is so dry. Hold on a second. It's rude to be chewing. My water. Today is lemon, lime, and apple cider vinegar. But anyway, yes, I went walking this morning, and even though it looked like it was getting ready to rain, I went out anyway because my commitment is to walk every single morning, rain or shine. I'm going to go to the thrift store and find some kind of old-fashioned slicker to throw on myself if it's raining, but I'm walking every single day. But anyway, yes, the new book is coming out. The other thing is the self-care explosion, where passion and power meet. We are going on tour. The women of Living Well Women, Holistic Living for Sisters, my co-host, Renee Washington, Keisha Dixon, and Dr. James Dravon. We are going to be traveling to a city near you. I am already declaring, first of all, we're going to be in Sacramento on January 26th, but we are also going to be going to DC, Birmingham, Philadelphia, and hopefully maybe Chicago and Atlanta. Those are the 5 cities I know for sure that we're going to go sometime in the beginning of first quarter of 2019. All the details aren't done, but I'm declaring that because I've decided that for 2019, I'm going to work on manifestation. And let me talk to you about manifestation. I went to a manifesting journal party the other day. And here's the journal that I'm working on. It's my manifestation journal. And in my journal, I have it broken up by categories in terms of the things that I am manifesting and believing in God for. And so one of those things was that I wanted to do more traveling for my business and put the ladies on Living Well Women on tour to speak about the things in person that we talk about on our show. So before I knew it, stuff started happening. And that's before I started the manifestation journal. Let me tell you, it's so important to have some kind of a journal. So one of the things I'm going to be doing check my calendar, it's Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. I'll be coming on every day around 8:30 or so to talk about certain things that I think will help you have a well and abundant year for 2019. Now, of course, sometimes I do things a little off schedule. Today's Saturday, but I'm going to give you what my first bit of advice would be for you for 2019. And that is, I just got through talking about manifestation. Well, I think it would be fantastic if you could dedicate at least one of your journals, or start a journal if you don't already have one, where you can jot down all of your ideas, all the different things that come to you on a daily basis. That's my advice, and my challenge to you is to get a journal. This will be, this is my idea, thoughts, and concepts journal, okay? So every morning I write something in it. Haven't written anything in it yet, but I'm going to. Just ideas that come throughout the day. I might write, just jot in there, ideas that come that, you know, for my business, for my personal life, for my children. So I challenge you, and that's one of my advices for today, is that you get a journal for your ideas, concepts, and thoughts, and begin to start writing them down, because what we write about, what we think about, what we ponder on, what we pray about truly does come to pass. So let's start manifesting for 2019. I know I am. It's already starting to happen. I'm so excited. And just be looking for more information about the Self-Care Explosion Where Passion Meets Power tour that's coming to your city very soon. Our goal is to do 52 cities in 52 weeks. I don't know if we'll accomplish it, but that's the goal. And be looking for more information about my new book, Power Up Superwoman. That's coming out soon. And the other thing is my new ebook. It's been revised. That's coming out, Distress the Mess. A lot of information. It's a journal and it's an ebook on things that you can do to minimize the impact of stress on your body. I made some changes, added some things. I'm really excited about that. As we speak, it's being configured for your ebook, so you can buy that real soon. So that's my news. What's your news? Please, in the comments, write down what great things are going to be happening for you in 2019. And let's all manifest together, okay? Fantastic. Have an awesome Saturday. Remember that this is, I believe, Self-Care Saturday, so make sure you're doing something special for yourself today, for your mind, body, and spirit. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have something to share, please comment below. For more Wellness Woman videos, be sure to click the subscribe button below and check out my Facebook group, Wellness Woman 40 and Beyond. But most importantly, don't forget to love yourself and educate, encourage, and empower your mind, body, spirit wellness.